I think this is my best attempt yet. I feel like Miss Frizzle today. Take chances, make mistakes, get messy. Alright, that's me in my glorified house coat. Alright, that's putting the suet on the back side of the post. I had to hammer a new nail in there
with a strap around it.
In hopes of catching the faces of the woodpeckers and the nuthatch. I don't seem to capture their faces very well. Well, not soon after, I did edit 4 minutes out of this 13-minute segment, and it wasn't but a minute or so before a titmouse and a chickadee showed up. And from this perspective, you can kind of see what seeds they are picking out. Of course, knowing that it's one of those full blend mixes still makes it difficult to know exactly. But I'm not seeing very many sunflower seeds disappear. The birds pick them and fly somewhere else in order to crack them open. At least the tufted titmouse does. Oh, that one. I couldn't latch it shut with the strap on there, so. But that didn't seem to make a difference. Of course, I didn't notice it at the time. But that little tufted titmouse is enjoying the suet. When I went and looked out, I noticed at least 3 titmice. You know, I wonder if I can find any distinguishing characteristics so that I can name them individually, like my water bears. Definitely 2 different titmice. Does one look a little younger than the other? Perhaps. Looks to me like they like the cornmeal peanut butter mix. Well, there's a female cardinal. I wonder if the cardinals like it better open like that. What a pretty crest. Oh, I'm gonna have to haul that one off. No. Nope, manageable. One of the prettiest reds in nature right there. Redheads. Red beaks. Yes, you're a pretty girl. That's my little moss garden in the background down there. And there's a patch of catnip. And I got pictures of Sidley tending to it the other day. She wouldn't let Richard near. Got some daffodil bulbs coming up right down there too. Yep, keeping the balance. Uh-oh, there comes trouble. Well, I think that's when I decided to come out and check on it, because I believe the squirrel vamooses. Yep. They make a mess of everything. And I'd rather watch the birds. Oh. Yeah, and so after a slight adjustment, I decided that being open might be better. Yep. And this little chickadee does have a unique feature. Something stuck to its head. And that one does not. You can tell that's a tasty treat now, can't you? I've been making suet for the birds for generations. We used to make it in club, and everybody'd roll up their sleeves and get down and dirty mixing the stuff up. And then we'd make cakes and go put them out on the nature trail and around the school. And we would see frequent visitors. And there's the one with the what would you say? Something stuck to its head. I don't know what it is. Oh, no, that looked like a sunflower seed. That looks like a male cardinal. They're much brighter and easy to pick out. They look like big old juniper berries on the privet in the back. Oh, they know how to crack open those sunflower seeds without using their feet. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I don't think he likes the cornmeal peanut butter as much as the seeds. Look, he's getting rid of the peanut butter stuff. Well, if you don't like it, then go feed at the other feeding stations where all there is sunflower seeds. There's plenty for everyone. It's amazing how they can do that. And other birds waiting for their turn. Oop, that looked like a Carolina wren. Ooh, at the same time with the male cardinal. Amazing. Oh yeah. Now it has to move over for the chickadee. Oh, no, I take that back. Another Carolina wren. I bet they're a family. There's the chickadee with the piece of lint on its black cap. That's what we'll call it, lint. Female. Didn't make it quite in time. Something's making it move. And there's that little guy. Lint head. Hello, little lint head. Oop. Didn't want to share. Do you think that makes it an older bird? Maybe more dominant. But they are my most frequent feeders at the suet feeder, is the tufted titmice and the chickadees. I've never had such good footage of chickadees before. They're so hard to capture, even with the big lens and the high speed on the Canon. Whoop, that was a big chunk. So yeah, this video is virtually unedited to show mostly just feeding time. And it's fascinating to see which ones are willing to eat together, different species, and which ones are domineering. Oh, look at its beak and little tongue. Sometimes you can see the hummingbirds' tongues in the summertime when they're licking their chops, so to speak. I think I told the story earlier that we have a female Carolina wren that loves to come into the back porch and gets caught flying around, so we just open the door up and encourage her out. There you go.